Very good morning, my students. Last class, I have explained through the documents first exercise of division, self-practice 2H, that is based on multiplication. Today, I want to explain about division of decimals through the video. Just go through this, all the example, how will divide these all the questions by using decimal number. So just you see this first example, 3.2 divided by 10. How will divide? First one we have to do like this. This one is divisor and this one is divisor and this one is dividend. So we have to divide 10 to 3.2. Okay. So how will divide? For that we have to take 3. This one, just you see here 3. This is less than 10. So it is not divisible by 10. It can't be divided by 10. So first of all we have to remove this point. So for that we have to take this point, this for quotient. So put here point. Before that nothing, the number is given, so just put here 0. Now point is removed, means just replace this point. So this one is 32. Now we can divide both the combined digit by 10 3 means 10 3 is 30. So we have to take here, put here 10 3 30. So this one is 3 minus 3 0 and 2 minus 0 is 2. After that 2 again remainder is available. For that we have to divide 2 by 10. It is also not divisible. For that if point is given there, then we can put 1 0 from ourselves. If point is there, then otherwise no. If point is not there, then we have to put 1 point, then we have to put 1 0. Otherwise it is not allowed, because if point is not there, we cannot put any number, any 0 in front of, behind the decimal number. So if point is there, that's why I am putting here 1 0. For that now we can divide by 2. So 10 to the 20, then it will be divisible. 10 to the 20, remainder is 0. So final answer is 0.32. So this is the first method, and second method is direct method. Without actual division we can put direct point also. If just see here 3.2 is divided by 10. 10 has one number of zeros. So one number of zeros, for that we have to replace this point left side 1 digit. If one number of zeros is there, then if two number of zeros, then 2 digit is interchange, transfer this point to 2 digit. If 1 0 is there, so we have to just transfer, just write down 32 whole, and if first the original place is point is here, 1 0 has intent has 1 0, so just you remove this point and take one decimal point again. So this is direct answer 0.3. So for that no need to divide. I have just explained for division. If you want you can divide, but direct you can also give the answer. Just see here, you can put here direct answer also. No need to divide. Just see here, write down all the numbers 0 without decimal. Just write down all the number without decimal. Means just remove this decimal 0, 7, 5, 6. After then, just you see, the divisor has 2 number of zeros after 1. So, and before that 3 decimal already is there. So, we need to this point, shift point, left side 2 decimal places more. Means one more 0 we have to put. Then this point is shifted here. So, final answer is 0.00756. Like that, next this example also you can do. Just see here, 285.7 is divided by 1000. Again, this point is after one decimal. Here one has 3 number of zeros, so this point will shifted 3 digits. So answer will be 0.2857. So we can put direct answer like if division is multiple of 10 and power of 10, we can say one has number of zeros like that, then we have to put direct answer, no need to divide. Again, just here 7879 divided by 100. 100 has 2 number of zeros, so 2 number of zeros is there, so we can put here no any decimal places are there, means write down just like this 879 point nothing, so just divided by 1000. So 2 decimal place, if there is no decimal place means decimal place is 0, decimal fraction part, decimal part is 0. So point is here, we have to just assume point is this side, not this side, this side. So this point will shifted after 2 digits, so answer will become 78.79. so this is the final answer. If direct division, no need to divide here. Again, 245 is 0.79 is divided by 10. For that it has 1 zeros only, so again this point will shifted left side 1 digit, so 24.579 direct answer, because 1 zeros are there, that's why I have shifted 1 decimal places. Again, just to see this question, 4.978 is divided by 1000. It has 3 decimal places and 1000 has 3 number of zeros. Again, we have to shift this point 3 number of digits. For that, there is only 1 digit is available. For that, we have to put 2 more zeros. So just write down all the number without decimal, 4978, and 2 more zeros we have required, because 3 decimal number of digit. This decimal I have to shift left side 3 decimal places, so that we require 3 decimal numbers. So just put here point now. For that, before that you have to put 1 0. So this is the final answer, 0.004978. This is the final answer. Like that, next question also. Just see 237.245 is divided by 10. Again, it has 1 number of zeros, so we have to shift this point left side 1 digit. So final answer is 23.7245. This is the final answer. Like that, you have to do in this fourth question also. It is divided by 100. It has 2 number of zeros, and here decimal place is already 4 digit are there. So we require this side 2 more zeros. Then we have to shift this 2 decimal places after 2 digits. So just write down 2, 3, 5, 6, and ahead we have to write down 2 more zeros just in front of 2, and then put point 0. So this is the final answer, 0.002356. This is the final answer. Next one is 4.956 is divided by 1000. So it has 3 number of zeros and already it has 3 number of decimal places. Again, we have to this point we have to shift 3 decimal places again. So for that, just write down all the number 4956, and already 1 number is there. 2 more zeros we have to put. So 0, 0. Then shift this point 3 decimal places ahead. So just point will come and 0. So 0.004956. This is the final answer. Like that, you have to do in exercise 2s question number 2. That is same types of decimal are given, same types of division are you have to do. Just do this question based on this example. See this example accurately and go ahead all the videos through all the questions. Then you can solve all the questions in the question number 2, 2h, exercise 2h. That's all.